Hi, my name is Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot a lot of video of homes that come up on the market. I'm on a street called Rhone. We're in the Monaco neighborhood. This has a big ocean view. Nice place. Look at the paved driveway here. 3-car garage. Nice big A-frame to get in. This is sweet. All right, stepping on in. Wow, this is nice. All right, let's go downstairs first. Beautiful floors. Nice yard. So there's some yard here and some view. So we're in a family room in the downstairs. This probably is the master. Very elegant. Fireplace with PV stone, big bath, tub, shower. Double sink. And the closet is kind of a walk-in. Very nice. We've got oak floors here. They're beautiful. Lots of storage. Bathroom on this side. And then a couple other bedrooms. 1 and 2. Oh, this one's got the balcony. Nice. This is cool. Nice little sitting area here. So they put the living stuff upstairs, which is great. Okay, so full tub on this bath. I'm using this as an office, but it is a bedroom. They got the windows upgraded, and now into the kitchen area. Nice big nook here, and a big kitchen. This is cool. Nice cooktop. Beautiful granite, and look at the cabinetry. Tongue and groove, cushion close. So that's really nice cabinetry. And I love seeing the view from the kitchen. That's amazing.
Thanks for asking. You in a bad mood?
I should have asked.
So here's a formal living room. It is huge. So lots of room, fireplace. And then what a great picture window on your dining room table.
You get to go over twice.
Similar housing.
Super nice.
Wilmington. Great move.
This is great. Love it.
I know where you live. Thanks for coming.
So good spot. Love the kitchen.
It does? Yeah. Makes me want to drink.
Thank you, Bill.
Thanks for coming by.
Catch you.
Cheers.
So super neat spot here. Big view. Lots of reason to come take a look at this one. So when you're ready, give me a call. Happy to tell you more about Palos Verdes and everything you need to know. Thanks. Make it a great day.